Good, good. We live with it. We live with it. All right, man. We chat. We did some dumb shit off stream. Broke the rules. Was up a band on the day. I had the patience and discipline aspect down, but I forgot about the greed aspect of trading, and so got greedy and the market bit me in the ass. So I blew all my profits from yesterday and some. We're just gonna put it like that. So instead of us requesting our first payout today, first payout ever of $2,000, now blowing all our profits and have to build our accounts back up. We didn't blow the accounts. So that's positive. We still have accounts to trade, 2 live funded accounts. One is at, since we already got that 2100 buffer account on this one, then we only have $800 left to draw down. This one, we haven't gotten the profits yet, so we only have $900 in drawdown, which we did go up. I don't know if Apex trails on funded accounts. If it does, then we technically only have about $500 in drawdown on this account, because we were up like $500 on this account, which even that we were up like unrealized profits. We probably went up to like 750 on this account. So hopefully that we can just catch a zero drawdown trade and not even have to worry about that for this account. But that's where we're at. We're definitely only risking 250 on both of these accounts. If we even have that on the other account, I'm hoping. But all in all, hopefully we can just get a good trade where we don't have to worry about any drawdown. But APM open is about to happen. Still, chat just going straight up, bro. Like, it's honestly like easy to trade. Like, you just need to click buy and just hold. But at the same time, um, it's just so weird, bro, because it just feels like it can do a fat ass pullback at any fucking moment, and then we're just cooked. So yeah, honestly, on my other account, I might just do. Cause I was gonna do 20 micros on both accounts, but on this other one, I'll try to just play it a little safer and just do 15 micros. But we got this 5-minute gap here. I'm gonna see if we respect this at Asia Open here. I want to see it at least trade to this consequent encroachment and kind of wake through and tap into this gap here. Actually, just gonna go ahead and place this just because I like the setup. But and I feel like it may be one of those ones where price just wicks at this and then like doesn't like trade at this area and just kind of wicks at it and then it goes. But in that case, we would miss our entry rate. But we'll see how this. See if we even get tapped out in here because how freaking bullish this is. And we've been going up since open too, so it's like this really could just blow straight through. But we've been respecting bullish gaps and bullish PD rays. So Yeah, no, I don't like how that body. Whatever, we're patient here, man. See how this plays out, if anything. Cause we're only taking one trade today, like one trade max. That's all we got. So I want to be sure. Probably should have went at consequent encroachment there, but so really strong push there. Price may just take off without us here. Um, yeah, like just look how strongly bullish we are, bro. Let's see if we even get tapped in here. Probably not though. But like I was respecting this 5 minutes, so okay, we're in. Um, Hopefully we can keep this reaction up. Keep pushing out of here. And not kind of set up that like M pattern where this is just like a low that it put in to eventually come back and sweep. And shoot for the 1,000 ball, but I would not hesitate to take the 500. But it was a really strong push back down. Hopefully we can keep pushing out of this gap. As of right now, it's not looking good. It's just like, bro, it's like we just respecting all this bullish gaps, just pushing higher and higher. Like, our luck would be that as soon as we try and, catch this off of one of these bullish gaps that just cooked, bro. It's just like, bro. Like, as soon as we try to catch price going up, it just doesn't want to do it anymore. Mm. Yeah, I mean, I originally had this line out because we had broke these lows and then put in this high and market structure shift back higher. But that was a very strong 5-minute inverse there. Just absolutely ripped. 500 left on both accounts. Really 300 left. It was such a strong push out at first. What is this that I have marked out? Is this a 15-minute? Yeah, just unfortunate, man. may come tap like this 15-minute here and then catch fire back to the upside, but this is where I originally had my level that I was interested in. This gap here after that market structure show. It's just like, bro, at this point, like these accounts are type cooked. Like it's just like cooked, bro. This works out. Respected that very well. I really don't even want to see it come back down here. So like, if it did, I wouldn't be interested anymore. I mean, like we're playing with 2 more trades of risking 150. Like, just be a really slow build up, back up, but. See, hopefully we can continue this strong V-shaped recovery here. That was crazy though.
Thank you for saying that. Yeah, hear that. No, it's $1, $2.
Something like that. I need like that. I need like that too, man. Doubt it, but we'll put it there for now. I mean, ideally, I would want to see it at least come back to that high. It was clean though. Probably should have took profits once we, just to get some profits back. Like, a strong market structure shift with the 5-minute gap. 5-minute inverse. It's just like I don't trust shorts right now, bro. I've been so bullish. Like, there's just no way I'm shorting this market, this current market. Put a 5-minute gap in right here. So hopefully we blow right through it, but if we do start to react pretty strongly to it, then I will be securing this profits. But as of right now, it looks pretty solid. We're blowing right through. Move this out of the way for now. Nice push, man. Hopefully we can keep this up. See if we can inverse this. Close strong for me, baby. Nice. Really nice V-shaped recovery here. Let's see, we're at 40, 400. So like even like a 25 points would give us a band. So it put us right at 51.5, which isn't bad, but we'll see. I want to see how we react once we break this high, if we do break that high. Come on, man, don't flip on me, man. Let's see this 5 minute get inversed here. Which one is the fuck? See, we know we did inverse this 1 minute. Come on, respect the gap there. Nice. Let's keep pushing here. It's just like, bro, can we just keep buying for the rest of the night, please? I'll be very happy then. Nice. I want to see this shit like fucking just break out here and just slide. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Really nice V-shaped recovery here. Definitely looking like we get this inverse on the 5 minute. Just keep going, man. Just keep going. This will be 500 in profits. We at least want to bag 500 here. But let's just keep going. Come on. We don't broke this high. Really nice bounce back trade here. Sitting at 1100 on the account. Like, it's just like, are we getting greedy here or what? Like, I just feel like this buys for the rest of the night. But like, I'm not in a position to be willing to either get stopped at break even or we just keep buying for the rest of the night and secure bigger profits. Like I need to, you feel me? Go ahead and secure what I got. I think we could see this though, at least. I will be willing to risk to hold until we see if this plays out. So we got the 5 minute inverse. Respecting this tiny gap nicely. Let's keep pushing higher here, man. We'll put a bottom wick in on that 5 minute. Let's just keep going here. So I can just be done for the night. Move this up just a little bit just in case we kind of rip through this high and catch a little bit more of the profits, you know. Nice push. Let's keep that up. Let's keep that up. I want to see this one follow through with volume here. If we don't follow through with volume, then I'll take profits. Nice. Nice. Take it, baby. But yeah, honestly, this shit probably buys up for the rest of the night, man. Count back to 1500 though. I'm taking that all day. Taking that all day. If anything, take another one on this account, but it's looking like this account might be done for, man. There's no way we don't have, but like, unless it's not, because this account never ended the day in profits. So unless this account, um, unless this account that unless Apex fundeds don't have a trailing drawdown on the funded, then we still have this 500 left in drawdown to play with. But if on the funded they do have the trailing drawdown, then I mean, if they did, then I would be stopped out already though, because I was up like from 50K from the fresh 50K. I was up to like $700 in profits, and so which were below that, which would have been done for now at this point. Let me see. I mean, we may be done for. Let me see if it even lets me place a trade. Yeah, now we're cooked. This account's cooked. Oh well, man. We got profits on that account, so definitely calling it a day there. GG's. We'll be back tomorrow. See if we can bang for another ban. This will count as our fourth winning day. We've already had three, so we would only need one more winning day, and we didn't be able to take a payout. But definitely gonna try to shoot for max payout. Let me see. What's so at 51.5. Yeah. So after today, I will be able to use 3 minis, which I shouldn't really be saying just because risk management. I shouldn't be taking my time with it, but ideally, let's see, we would need 54,100. 54,100 to get max payout. So 54,100 minus 51,526. I mean, that's only a 2.5K trade, which our largest day is a $2,000 day. So we'll still be good on consistency, but let's see, like something like this. How much will we need? Is like 3 minutes to be 2,500. 2,500 right there. So we would do like 42 points. 2,500. I mean, that's really not that bad. Just tape reading. Want to see how we react to this 5-minute BPR. That gap there now. See if we get another push right there. And see if we get another push right there for. If we were looking for like a re-entry. That was a really nice pullback. Tapped into this gap as well. Could have had a had a limit setting right here in this fair value gap, as well as consequent encroachment of this 5 minute BPR. Damn, that was 6 hour trade. This one is low key a banger. Where do we get out at? We got out at $1,100 trade. Got out at 421.25. 6.4 hour trade. Solid. His stop loss at the bottom of this body. Crazy trade. Risking like 150 to make 1100. Great trade, man. Great overall way to bounce back after being in some good drawdown, after stressing over taking dumb trades. Just all of the above. But yeah, that's a wrap. Promise I'm not taking any more trades. When I get back, you guys should see this same 51,526 balance. Um, Dang, I hate I'm in the bottom right. Like, I wish I could. YouTube Live is so weak compared to TikTok Live, but yeah, I wanted to put my camera over in this corner. But yeah, tomorrow should be 51,526. Promise I'm not taking any more trades for tonight. I'm good. I made my profits. I'm good. But if we had that other account, I would have been intrigued to take this here. Like, I'm just bullish all night, bro. Like, it's just like Asia has been like consolidating lately. Except for today, like this was the open down here. So we've pushed like 60 points so far, just straight up. Um, like this is all the dumbass trades I was taking last night, man. Woke up during fucking London session, took this dumbass shit. Kept having these crazy ass wicks, like market is just hella manipulative right now, bro. And then we caught this trade here with you guys on stream, and then I actually took this little bit trade here. And boy, that's what gets me to. That's what I got to work on is the fact of me, because this right here put me up $1,000 in a day. My account was at like 53K, and so that would have been fourth one a day. And then boom, today we would have just smacked for another band. Yeah, we would have been sitting at 54 and would have been requesting our payout, but it's all good because we're gonna get back to there. Anyways, what I see is I took this here, right? I think it was 20. I was at like 600 or so, so I needed this little 300. That put me right at 53. I was at like 52.6. I won this little 300 right here, and that put me at 53 flat. But then what gets me is just seeing that like 1,500, like I would have been like fucking at like 4,500 in profits or like 5K in profits after this if I held. So when I see that, bro, it just it's something I still have to work on as a person. It's like a personal problem. It's just being okay with just fucking, not getting greedy, man. Like I said, let the greed get the best of me. It's already up in profits. I started with this. I seen how crazy we dumped right here. We had like two big 15-minute gaps right here. I was expecting this 15-minute gap to hold, but like I should have seen like just swept sell side liquidity like clearly. It was pushed back up for a little minute. Um, But yeah, got greedy, so boom, smacked, lost that. That was, I think that was like a fucking $500 loss or so. Um, and I think I took some other dumb trades that just wasn't even a clean setup. Lost another couple hundred. Waited for 3 a.m. because I knew we were gonna come back down to this 1 hour. This was also a 4 hour, but we missed it. Right, obviously it happened like right at 2 a.m. So on the lower time frame, this is a clean setup here. We had like a market structure shift, and we retested like a fair value gap and just our basic model 22, and just boom. I mean, 50 points. It wouldn't have hit until fucking 4 a.m. But that would have been clean. But we woke up at 3 a.m. and kind of was late to it. Seeing this gap here, I was expecting us to kind of low key keep dumping, which again, I'm not selling this market anymore until um, I see some clear signs, that we are fucking tanking. Needs to be clear as day. Okay, we got 1 5 minute respect there. Like to some push down, and now it's making its way to push back up. We would have definitely needed to put. Oh, we got this little gap here, so really that's where we would have been at. So I mean, stop loss would have probably been at below this 5 minute candle here. So like it would have been something like this. Right, this consequent encroachment. Get that wick. Closing right, that consequent encroachment. That's tough. I mean, yes, still 3.7 points of drawdown. That's the one thing I love about Asia is that you can get really good RR trades. Um, okay, so yeah, something like that. I mean, it's holding really good. It's kind of creating that M pattern, so it may drop some more. Had this marked out. It's kind of what I was looking forward to. Yeah, back into one of these 15 minutes because we haven't really had a retrace at all since open. But I mean, we haven't had a retracement at all in the past 15 days. So it's like, hmm, this would have been pretty valid here still. I'll watch this from my phone and see what happens. See if that works out. But definitely respecting that gap there, and look like it may get us right here in this one. See what this new 5 minute does real quick, and then I'm gonna call it a night. It is using this inverse very well as well. I'm guessing like the consequent encroachment is like somewhere here, so like that not really laying any bodies in that lower half. Boom. See if this 5 minute here will rip. We may get a lower push though. Only thing is like these bodies closed pretty high above these. At those highs, like these bodies closed like at the same level as these bodies, then I definitely would have been interested to see if it continues to drop a little bit more. We like down here, sweep this sell side liquidity. But even this, bro, it's just like, damn, like, just didn't take this loss here. Like, this dude just would have been an extra $300 in our account or so. Where'd it go? I think that was 350. So we'd have been sitting at like 18 right now. But all good though, like It is what it is. But this is what I had. I can't remember if I had it marked out on. Can't remember if I had it marked out for when I turned the stream on, but definitely was looking for that. But yeah, boom, nice push there. Want to see it inverse that gap? See it inverse this gap here. That would be clean. Clean push. Break these little highs. I want to see it put in a fair value gap here. Mm. Put in a little gap there. Maybe come back and retest it. Be a clean little Model 22 setup. See, so like even if it does push here and leaving our entry right here, if it puts in this gap, I might close it. Yeah. But solid. I mean, still left a really tiny gap, so that could be used. But I mean, yeah, definitely would have wanted to be in down here. 1.7 points on drawdown. Yeah, I wouldn't even want to take this break here because those bodies didn't close in that upper half and it closed the gap anyway. So after seeing this, I mean, we broke those highs. I probably would have went break even right here if I was in that trade. Just because we didn't break that. I mean, we had two strong green ones, strong bullish bodies, but still just didn't give that strong of a push. We got this low here that we had a market structure shift and put in this gap. Like this, what I wanted to see, would have wanted to see right here. But look, hey, it's just this market is just so bullish, man. It's like bearish PD arrays are just getting slutted out. But yeah, call it a night there. Catch y'all tomorrow, man. See you Thursday night tomorrow, so that'll be our last day trading. So we may have a half day of work on Friday, so we may better get like a PM session stream. See if we can catch another trade in PM session on Friday, but obviously it's Friday, so momentum is gonna be lower and whatnot, and so and we just normally don't do well with Fridays anyways. So like, if it comes down to that, then probably won't even. We'll see. We'll look at it, but probably won't even try to trade at the. But yeah, it's looking really nice right here. See if that body closes above. Nice. Yeah, truly inversed it. All right, chat. Catch y'all later. GT's tonight.